Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 321. Which tense describes a prolonged past action that explains a past consequence or state? A. He was tired because he worked all day. B. He was tired because he had been working all day. C. He is tired because he works all day. D. He will be tired because he will work all day. Correct answer, he was tired because he had been working all day. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 322. Which tense is used for timeless truths or general statements? A. The earth revolves around the sun. B. The earth is revolving around the sun. C. The earth revolved around the sun. D. The earth will revolve around the sun. Correct answer, the earth revolves around the sun, simple present tense. Question number 323. Which tense describes a temporary action happening around the present moment, indicating a change from the usual? A. I usually drive, but I am taking the bus this week. B. I usually drive, but I take the bus this week. C. I usually drive, but I took the bus this week. D. I usually drive, but I will take the bus this week. Correct answer, I usually drive, but I am taking the bus this week. Present continuous tense. Question number 324. Which tense describes a completed action in the past, with a definite past time? A. They built that house in 1990. B. They build that house now. C. They are building that house. D. They have built that house. Correct answer, they built that house in 1990. Simple past tense. Question number 325. Which tense is used for spontaneous decisions or offers made at the moment of speaking? A. I will help you. B. I am helping you. C. I help you. D. I helped you. Correct answer, I will help you. Simple future tense. Question number 326. Which tense is used for actions that started in the past and continue up to the present? A. I have never seen snow. B. I never saw snow. C. I am never seeing snow. D. I will never see snow. Correct answer, I have never seen snow. Present perfect tense. Question number 327. Which tense describes a continuous action in the past that was interrupted by a shorter, definite past action? A. While I cooked, she danced. B. While I was cooking, she danced. C. While I have cooked, she danced. D. While I cook, she dances. Correct answer, while I was cooking, she danced. Past continuous tense. Question number 328. Which tense indicates a future action that will be ongoing at a specific time in the future, as a normal, expected event? A. At 8 a.m. tomorrow, I have breakfast. B. At 8 a.m. tomorrow, I will have breakfast. C. At 8 a.m. tomorrow, I will be having breakfast. D. At 8 a.m. tomorrow, I am having breakfast. Correct answer, at 8 a.m. tomorrow, I will be having breakfast. Future continuous tense. Question number 329. Which tense describes an action that was completed before another past event, emphasizing the chronological order? A. He woke up after the sun rose. B. He woke up after the sun had risen. C. He wakes up after the sun rises. D. He woke up after the sun was rising. Correct answer, he woke up after the sun had risen. Past perfect tense. Question number 330. Which tense is used to talk about a future event that will be completed by a specific future time? A. By next year, he learns English fluently. B. By next year, he will learn English fluently. C. By next year, he will have learned English fluently. D. By next year, he is learning English fluently. Correct answer, by next year, he will have learned English fluently. Future perfect tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.